Today we're transforming this classic GameCube controller so it works wirelessly and with Bluetooth. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use it on your PC, Nintendo Switch, or even original GameCube hardware with right adapter. For this build, I'm using the 8BitDo mod kit. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. Inside the kit, you'll find everything you need: a screwdriver to open up the controller, new analog stick caps, a charging cable, adapter wires for the rumble motor, and of course, a new motherboard. I will link everything below to all the supplies if you are interested in building it yourself. Let's start by taking the controller apart. Flip it over, remove the 6Y1 screws, and lift off the back cover. From here, remove the original motherboard and take out the buttons and the rubber membranes. Now we need to transfer the rumble motor. Remove it from the original board, take the adapter wires from the kit, and position the heat shrink tubing like this. Now solder the wires together. Depending on your controller, the red cable might actually be white. If that's the case, connect red to white and black to black. Otherwise, connect red to red and black to black. You can skip soldering, but honestly, don't. If you don't solder it, the connection will be weaker, and this is one of the easiest solder jobs you'll ever do. Once that's done, slide the heat shrink tubing over the wires and apply heat with a hair dryer, lighter, or heat gun. This protects the connection and keeps everything secure. Next, remove the rumble enclosure from the original board. Press the two pins and it'll pop right out. Then insert the rumble motor and plug it into the new board. Now let's install everything. Connect the C-stick, attach the barrel charging port ribbon cable, and place the motherboard into the shell. Put the buttons and membranes back in, close up the shell, and screw everything back together. Now for the fun part, let's test it out. Having clickable L3 and R3 joysticks is a great upgrade. If you want to use this controller with your PC, you'll need an adapter from 8BitDo. To connect it to the GameCube, you'll also need a receiver. For the Nintendo Switch, just hold down the Y button and press start to pair it as a Pro controller. On Android, GameCube, and PC, hold down the B button and press start. And there you have it, a fully wireless GameCube controller with rumble. Before we wrap it up, come join my community. We have over 30,000 gamers achievement hunting and join multiplayer matches. For more details, visit frodofraggins.com. See you in the next video.